Are you looking to make these awesome trending transition videos? Kaiber AI was a great option for this. But the problem is, it's not free anymore. But in this video, I'm gonna show you a free AI tool that you can use to make these awesome videos without spending any money. And I'm also gonna share how you can get rid of this watermark. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so first of all, just go to your browser and search for Genmo AI. And now click on that first link, alpha.genmo.ai. Once you are on the website, you can see these are few transition videos that people have generated, but we want to generate our own. So simply click on that get started button. And here we have three options. You can either search for an image. Let's say I want to search for an portrait. So you will find some pre-generated pictures, but I would say it doesn't look good, right? So if you want to generate images inside of Genmo, you also have that option. So let's say you want to generate a portrait of a woman in Cyber City. Now click generate, it will start generating your picture. Okay, so this is the image that I generated, and if you want to use this image in your video generation, simply click on that and you will be redirected to this next page. So if you want to add transition in a specific part of an image, you can just paint that area. And if you don't want to do this manually, simply click on that foreground and it will select the person in the image. And if you want to select the background, simply click on the background. It will select the background of that image. But I want to apply the transition on this whole image, so I'm gonna deselect this one. And if we scroll down a little bit, here we have an option to enter our prompt. And you can see it automatically selected that prompt that we have generated, portrait of a woman in Cyber City. Well, you can change this prompt or you can even go with this prompt. So for now, I'm just keeping the default prompt. So here we also have an option to exclude something. So it works like a negative prompt. So I'm not using any negative prompt. And in the next section, we have an option to increase or decrease the length of the video. So let's say I want to keep the length of the video 8 seconds. If you're selecting the longer length of this video, it will cost more fuels. And in free plan, we get 100 fuels. So you guys don't have to worry about the fuels because every day you will get 100 fuels. And in the next part, you can see exploration. So by default, this is set on 40. So if you increase the exploration, it will add more chaos in your video. So next we have dynamics. Dynamics also control how fast content changes over the time, like how fast your transition will be. So I'll keep the settings around 40. And here we have a seed values. And let's say if you want to add more instructions to it, simply click on that. Now you have more boxes to add instructions to it. But for now, I'm happy with these settings. So I'm gonna click on generate and just wait for it. It doesn't take much time to generate the video. Okay, so this is the output video that it generated, and you can see the transition changing from one person to another. And you also have an option to download this video. So it all depends on your prompt and your input image. Okay, so this time I'm selecting this image that I have generated in stable diffusion. So whenever you upload your own image, it automatically generates a prompt according to your image. And it also added a negative prompt in it. Now I don't want to keep the default prompt, so I'm gonna enter my own prompt. So I just entered a prompt to turn her into a cyberpunk style. Now let's click on generate. Okay, so this is the output that it generated. This is not bad actually, but I would say this is not too good. I'm not saying this is at the level of Kaiber AI because Kaiber AI generates really good videos, but considering this tool for free, this is acceptable. So this was just a demo and I believe you guys can generate some better videos than me. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how you guys can remove the watermark from this video. Now simply go to your browser and search for video watermark remover, and you can see we have multiple websites over here. So select one of them. So let's say I'm selecting this first website. Now just upload your video. So let's say I want to remove the watermark from this video. Now simply make a selection of your watermark area and save your file and your watermark will be removed. Okay, so this was the video and now you can see there is no watermark in this video. So there was a video about how you guys can generate these awesome trending transition videos, and I believe that you guys can generate better videos than me. So that's it from this video, and if you guys in a space of AI, make sure to subscribe Planet AI, and I'll see you in the next one.